Coach, ano lang, reaction ano yung sitwasyon?
Yeah, yung medyo may problema siya sa calf niya. That it's a former injury, that it's medyo parang very delicate yung pagka-injury niya. It's rather connected with her Achilles. So, isang pinagpahinga talaga namin. So hard, having to have to play without an impact, but then again, sayang lang yung game.
Ba't kanina bigla siya nag-base ng second?
Just to make a presence probably, but still wala pa rin presence. Hindi pa rin yung motivating factor, wala pa rin. So we gotta dig deep pa rin, from the bags that we have, we gotta pick some things that we need to improve. A lot pa.
May timetable ba yung return ni
I hope this rest for him is good for Sunday, because I told him it's a thing here that you don't play twice, we'd be fine or something, and I think he said he got that message, and I hope that he plays on Sunday.
Coach, for sure, medyo may kunting takot din on your part knowing how tricky calf injuries could be.
You gotta have that, but it's just frustrating and sad that that you siguro sabihin na natin na may chance ka manalo, tapos you didn't grab it pa, and it's all probably on our side, but the effort is kulang pa. It's very frustrating talaga. I think management is also frustrated with what happened, and we feel that changes must be done, and we don't know what kind of changes is that, but it's a change that we need to be more parang sa akin lang is yung maisukli mo lang sa management to what we're doing here.
personal changes yan?
Definitely, probably personal changes or a lot of things that we need to improve on.
Si Upshur ba wala kayong planong kahit temporary replacement with this condition?
We'll be talking about that tomorrow. We'll be assessing and getting the results of the MRI by tomorrow, sigurado. And if that rules out na hindi siya pwede, we gotta have to find somebody else in for his replacement.